we connected the two sensors to the data collector, to the passcode data collector, and data goes to the computer. This is the software passcode. So we need two displays for this lab. Two displays. Click on this icon and select table. Here we select again the table, each one for one of the cards, and like before, it is time, it is position. Start. Okay, so the second column is velocity channel 1 of the cards. Here this table is for the second card, again time, and velocity channel 2, the unit is meters per second. Now it's ready. Actually we need velocity information. Okay.
So to show you one example of how we record the data and the signals, so we place one card in the middle of the track, and the second one far from it, and we start moving this toward the other card with the moderate speed. And as you can see, once I start moving this one, I start pushing this one, and then we start in the same time we start the software. So in count 3.
From the side.
From the side.
Because of sensor.
Yeah. So count 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold on.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.